Good evening, everyone. My name is John Abad. I study in the Pichincha Professional Drivers Union. I belong classroom number 13, and I attend class in the evening session. Today, I am going to talk to you about insecurity in Ecuador, using the city of Quito as reference. Insecurity in Quito has increased significantly, with a rise in violent crime and raids and robberies. Although the city maintains one of the lowest homicide rates among Andean capitals, the perception of insecurity is high. 64% of women and 53% of men feel unsafe in public space. Robberies of individuals' business and vehicles and the most frequent crimes, with a notable incidence in the La Delicia and tobacco sectors. In Quito, the increase in homicides is reported. International homicides showed an upward trend, with 248 cases in 2024, compared with 144 in 2020, driven with a criminal violence. Use of weapons. Violence with firearms has increased, exceeding 65% of violence crimes in the last year. Common crimes. Robberies and theft are the main crimes, with a high incidence in the Eugenio Espejo and Manuela Sáenz districts. Perception and reporting. 37% of those surveyed indicated they were victims of crime, but reporting is low due to distrust in the authorities. Criticizing organization. 87% of recent surveyed agreed with taking the law into their own hands in response to crime, with high levels in areas like La Delicia and Tumbaco. Areas such as the Historic Center, the Central University, and the Plaza Foch area are monitored by authorities, where higher criminal activities is reported, especially in weekends. The presence of uniformed officers generates more confidence amongst passersby, and their intervention in risky situations is also commendable. Next, I will show you a video of a uniformed officer intervening on a public transport bus.
¿Quién nomás? ¿Quién estaba? Bien, Silencio, siéntate ahí.
Luis, somos tres nomás.
No estaban pidiendo dinero.
Somos tres nomás, no.
Siéntate ahí.
Ya, Willy, ya.
Siéntate ahí.
Ya, Willy. De momento somos tres, nosotros.
¿Quién les ha dicho que pueden venir ustedes a molestar aquí a la gente a pedir la
No,
plata?
de momento le dije que le iba a pagar 50 y le pagué 50.
Sí, silencio. Se quedan aquí. Silencio.
With that was my present. I hope you like it. Goodbye.